Cortex Healthcare Software welcomes you to our YouTube channel. This video is a how-to guide for assistance to healthcare professionals who are using the Cortex telemedicine platform, CoreTM. This video shows the use of CoreTM from a web browser for people acting in the role of an assistant. And in this video, we'll show you how assistant registration works. Assistants are invited to the platform by doctors. This screen shows a Dr. Victor Sokolov who would have used the invite function to send an invitation to an assistant's email address. So the mechanism of invitation is by email. If you don't have an email address, the doctor can't invite you. Here we can see the doctor has sent an invitation to tony@smith.net. And if we take a look at Tony's email, there is an email that arrives from the Cortex system explaining that Dr. Sokolov has invited me as an assistant, and there is a link which, when I click the link, it will activate the registration for me in the CoreTM system. Once that's done, and the system has confirmed that the processing has taken place, I'm able to sign into the system. So let's sign in as tony@smith.net. And here we have my browser panel showing me my role as an assistant. And you can see here, I now have access to Dr. Sokolov's calendar. So fairly simple. You get an email, you accept the link, and you're then activated as an assistant.